a single f***er in sight. There's no one here. We're going 40 miles an hour because cones. Right guys, so we're going to be heading up to the Dumpling tonight to do a bit of wild camping. I'm here with Dave. He's currently trying to strap a pillow to his bag.
Now, for all our gaming nerdiness, would you like to focus on the main quest or the side quest?
So guys, welcome to the Dumpling. Just put up Dave's tent. Right guys, so we just put up Dave's tent there. This evening I'm trying out a new tent which I picked up, which is the OEX Phoxx 2. It's kind of like a low profile tent. Pretty cheap, but it should do the job. It'd be good for sort of more remote trips because it's fairly light, packs down nice and small. So we'll work together, get this put up and see how it goes. Alright, so this tent comes in a pack so far with everything inside. One drawback I do have, Dave's currently using my old tent which has the red pegs, which I really like. Obviously they send you the sort of, I don't know, I call them crappy ones, but they're still fairly light, but they're quite flimsy. But you've got the smaller one, I believe.
I do. Right, only for the peg. Even that doesn't help me actually.
Yeah, that doesn't really help you.
Aye, neither.
Right, so this is Dave's first time trying the meal pack things, the dehydrated food.
As Bear Grylls would say, got to do what you got to do.
We've just had dinner. I'm just going to kind of walk you through the setup of this tent that I picked up. It's a little bit more low profile. I'll show you my old one as well here. Say old, I still use this, but it's a Rakoon 2, so it's slightly taller. This has tons of space inside it, and this has actually been a really reliable tent for me. So yeah, this has done me some really good. The Phoxx 2 is slightly lower, same idea, made of the same materials by the same company. I'm hoping this one will, in windier weather, because it's a bit lower to the ground, will be a little bit more sturdy. It also packs slightly lighter and the poles don't take up as much space, so that should hopefully make a difference. Right guys, so we're in the tent now. I'm just kind of wrapping up the night. As you can see, we've got our little setup. This tent's not as spacious as the other one, but it is pretty low profile, so pretty happy with that. I'm going to have a quick bite to eat, watch a little something on my phone and head to bed. Catch you in the morning. Morning.
Like, what part of I've brought a hammer made you thought I was joking? What kind of hammers do you think we're making?
Oh God. You should have a 10-pole sword fight.
It wouldn't be Balak with a knife fight.
I'll go get my sharpened shovel to do. Alright guys, that was a wild camp on the Dumpling. We're just making our way back to the car. We might get some breakfast somewhere on the way back, we'll see what happens. But thanks for watching, like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one.
Stu,
Yeah?
you did get the camera right.
Oh fuck!